A equals to 5 into r square minus simple r square. Okay, let's bring this one to a left side. So 5 equals to 5 into r square minus simple r square equals to A. First of all, you can see there is a multiplicand. Okay, there's a multiplicand 5. Okay, 5 multiplied with these two participants. So we can keep it as it is. R square minus r square, that remains same. First of all, we have to take this multiplicand 5. This multiplicand 5 is multiplying both of these components. So let's bring the 5 as a dividend. So A divided by 5. Okay. Then after R square, capital R square, that is equals to A upon 5. This minus simple R square will become positive R square. Okay, positive R square. Then to finalize your answer, to finalize your R value, okay, R value, that's gonna be equals to square root of all these functions. So A upon 5, A upon 5 plus R square. Okay, A upon 5 plus R square. There is a distance. Okay, there is a difference between previous questions. Okay, between the previous question to this question, because here you can see A upon 5 is a fraction. With that, there is another addition also happening. There is another addition also happening. When you put square root, you should keep these two as separate ones. So A upon 5 is a separate one plus R square is another separate one. That's equals to R. To subject M. Okay, to subject M, let's bring this one here. V square minus U square equals to E. You should understand the patterns of multiplication or division or addition or subtraction. Okay, first of all, there's a division. Okay, there's a division of 2. Let's bring that divided 2 as a multiplicand 2. Okay, so this will become 2e. 2 times e, 2e. After that, m. Okay, don't expand this. Don't expand this because m is our common factor here. That means m is multiplied with this two components. So we can keep our m as it is 2e. Okay, here you can see m multiplied with this one. Okay, so here this v square minus u square is our multiplicand. Let's bring this as our dividend. So v square minus u square, 2e upon v square minus u square. This is the way you should subject your m. Okay, in the same equation, let's subject v. First we subjected m, then v, then after u. Half m into v square minus u square equals to e. Okay, the dividend 2 will become a multiplicand. So m into v square minus u square equals to 2e. Then here you can see all of these are multiplied. Okay, all these two values are multiplying with this m, multiplying with this m. So let's bring this multiplicand as a dividend. So v square minus u square remains same. Here you can see this m is multiplying with this value inside of this bracket. Okay, value inside of the bracket. So m multiplied with v square minus u square. So for that, we will divide 2e divided by the m. M is a multiplicand in this case. So to oppose that, let's bring it as our dividend. Then after v square. Okay, what is happening for u square? That's a subtraction. To oppose that, this 2e upon m remains same. This negative u square will become positive u square. Okay, positive u square. After that, v square. Okay, negative u square became positive u square. Finally, v is equal to square root of 2e upon m. Okay, this is a distinct one plus u square. There is no any denominator for u square. Okay, after dividing only we took our u square to our right. So there is no any denominator for our u square. 2e upon m plus u square equals to v square. So v is square root of this particular value. Okay. After that, let's try to subject u of u. That's also similar. Like the steps are same until here. Okay. The steps are same until here. So I'll bring this step here. You should do until these three steps. V square minus u square equals to 2e upon m. Okay, 2e upon m. There is no any confusion. Dividend 2 became multiplicand. Multiplicand m became divided. Okay, this step I took here. After that, this negative u square. The direction for v square is positive. Okay, negative u square. Let's keep our negative u square here. Mostly students will make mistakes at here. Okay, they forgot to indicate the negative mark. They will only indicate u square, but the direction for u square is negative, no? So you should bring that one also. Okay, you should keep as it is negative u square. Then that is equals to 2e upon 2e upon 3. This positive v square will become negative v square. Okay, negative v square. After that, here you can see there is a hidden multiplication. Okay, there is a hidden multiplication that is negative 1. As I already told you, if there is any positive mark before the square function, no problem. If there is any negative value, you have to concern about it. So, I can write this negative u square as negative 1 u square because hiddenly there is a 1 here. There is a 1 here. That is equals to 2e upon m minus v square. So, what is happening? This negative 1 multiplied with this u square. Okay, try to understand this part clearly. This negative 1 multiplied with this u square. So let's write our u square as it is the multiplicand. Okay, don't worry about it. Hence, even though it has a negative mark, this is a multiplicand. So let's bring it as a dividend. 2e upon m minus v square, that remains same. Okay, this multiplicand became a dividend. Okay, you can keep this total value as your denominator, 2e upon m minus v square as your numerator. In your denominator, you should indicate the dividend. Here, this is a multiplicand. To opposite that, here it became a dividend. Okay, this became a dividend. Finally, to find u value, okay, to find u value, I'll write here. Okay, this star became, okay, star will become square root for this total value, 2e upon m minus v square divided by negative 1, and there is a whole square root. This is our u. Okay, mostly students will make mistakes in these questions because they forgot to indicate. They will do until here. There is no any confusion until here. After that, they'll forget to indicate this negative 1. Negative is a major part in this question. Here you can see negative u square means there is a hidden multiplication of negative 1. Okay, u square means 1. 1 u square. Negative u square means we can write it as negative 1 u square. That is equals to this one. After that, if you remember this, okay, if you remember how to change this negative u square as a numerical value, negative 1 times u square. So this multiplicand negative 1 will become the dividend. Okay, don't worry about it, just keep it as a dividend. In a denominator, you can write this negative 1. After that, the square function will become square root for this whole value. That's the way you should subject the u in this given equation.